How to set the default expiration time for private sharing on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down and then tap on connected devices. After that, tap on quick share. Then we scroll down to the bottom. In the private sharing section, tap on set expiration. Now by default it is set to 2 days. You can choose to set it just say for 1 hour and then tap on done. And that's it. If you are sharing files via private sharing, those sharing files will automatically expire after 1 hour. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.